Invaziune łaza, zice circ ci stam și qui când gropa shazam basta non gripe a Zannam. Il beat è grasso, un misto tra la Will e l'Oreo. Visto l'incastro che ne manco all'oratorio. Non ho ancora un disco d'oro, ma ho più di un disco d'oio. Se non t'accattavi views non ti vedevi manco a solo.
Yeah. This is the things we go through when we come from the ghetto, like scheming on the shivers jobs and you hoping they settle. Where you keep God in your heart, but you walk with the devil. Where you always trying to think smart, but other people won't let you. They try to get you, try to set you, and it's very stressful. You try to guess who wanna wet you, wanna spill your vessel. With 10%ers always wanna get all in your mental. Their fundamentals to lie to you on another level. Where you quick to judge a boy cause he carry metal. Like the reason you out here is cause your mother let you. Now know this pop's OD, this mother dead too. That could affect him when there's nobody to fill your kettle. It's essential and special to have a pad and pencil. Where it's well known drug dealers always riding rentals. And some days you gotta think of getting out the ghetto. What would you rather have, a smiley face or a medal? Yeah, I can't take it anymore. I'm tired of the stress, but it lives next door. And why do my people gotta live less poor? Cause from Boston to Naples is the same, yeah, for sure. Yeah, but I can't take it anymore. I'm tired of the stress, but it lives next door. And why do my people gotta live less poor? Cause from Boston to Naples is the same, yeah, for sure.
Got the offer and it's looking kinda lucrative. Should I just lose it or should I really do it big? Feel like Lucifer trying to make me do this shit. Something told me calm down, you better cool it, kid. My nigga came home and said you don't wanna do a bit. I sat back and said, yo, that's the truest shit that I ever heard. But word, I will contradict it if they wanna conflict it. And I'm sorry they missed it. The fact that they didn't see us coming. I got the money fever, all I wanna see is 100 and up. Cause the sun is corrupt, running amok. Got real niggas running with us, we coming up. And what? Yeah. From Boston to Naples, actually it's all the same thing. If you asking me, we lived through the struggle first just to live happily. I'm cool with that, if that's what it has to be.
Yeah, I can't take it anymore. I'm tired of the stress, but it lives next door. And why do my people gotta live less poor? Cause from Boston to Naples is the same, yeah, for sure. Yeah, but I can't take it anymore. I'm tired of the stress, but it lives next door. And why do my people gotta live less poor? Cause from Boston to Naples is the same, yeah, for sure.